One new feature for Raindrop, which is really cool, is an AI assistant to organize links. So when I used it recently, it suggested a few links that were unsorted. It suggested putting them into a collection I had, which was useful. And it will also suggest tags for links that you've saved but haven't labeled or tagged. That just helps you keep things organized. One of the unique features of Raindrop as compared with just, the browser bookmark saving possibility is that it integrates so well with other platforms. So for example, Raindrop can log the links you save automatically to a Google spreadsheet or a Notion page. If you use either of those services, you don't have to manually add those links to the spreadsheet or to Notion. Raindrop just does that syncing for you. You can also save links or sync links that you save in Raindrop to other reading services, read it later services like Readwise, Instapaper, Pocket, or Matter for reading later if you prefer to use those kinds of reading apps for reading offline or reading on your phone. And you can also import links. So if you have links from those services, you can import them into Raindrop so that your links are collected in an organized way. Raindrop works well with IFTTT, Zapier, and Make, which are services that link together multiple apps so that if you pair Raindrop with one of those apps, it will basically automatically add things to Raindrop for you when you take certain actions, like when you favorite a song on Spotify or a tweet, mark a tweet as liked, or like a video on YouTube. Those will be collected for you on Raindrop in a collection of favorite YouTube videos, for example, or favorite songs on Spotify. So that's a nice way of being able to organize and add to your link collection without having to manually add each link in multiple different places. And there are more than 2,600 possible integrations with all sorts of different services, which is kind of handy. It makes Raindrop a useful hub for gathering and organizing all your favorite links from whatever services you use. It's really easy to import to get started with Raindrop, and you can also export. So you can export all your links anytime you want as an HTML file, as a CSV file for a spreadsheet, or as text, really however you want. You can even import from other services like Evernote or apps like Digo, Dropmark, GoodLinks, really whatever app you've used in the past to save links.